Alright, so out here in Brunswick, Maine, I was driving by and noticed that the old Yankee Lane's bowling alley has since closed since I was last here. I guess bowling is just not as popular as it used to be because I filmed a couple of these over the years. One was in Humboldt County over by, well, kind of like Fieldbrook area. I think it was like B&B lanes or whatever that was, but yeah, and then there was another one in Eureka that had closed for a while, but it has since reopened. But yeah, thought I'd get a little video of it. And by the way, uh, the the parking lot is completely uh, surrounded by a whole fleet of new cars that are being sold. There must be an auto dealership nearby. But yeah, they have utilized the parking lot for that. But yeah, I've actually never been in here, but I remember driving by it in previous trips and seeing it jam-packed full. There we go. Can't really see much from here, but here's the scoreboard. I know a lot of bowling alleys, it's just popular to have this sort of awning that extends out in front of the entrances. Kind of a bowling alley staple, I suppose. Let's see if we can't get a shot inside here. Yeah, nothing but a whole mess of chairs and tables. Not much to look at. This one appears to have had a bar and grill as well. This doors to remain closed at all times. Yeah, doesn't say anything about the closure, but I'm gonna see if I can go online. There's me. Go online and see if I can find some information about it. This is a little lobby area, and there's another double door just off to the left there. Nasty habit right there. Yeah, the old bowling alley. I think that's just about it. Not a whole lot we can film from the exterior, but years from now, once this place is demolished and no more, or if it's just converted into another business, people will have something to look back on. Interesting choice of color. Bowling alleys get pretty funky with their color choices, I've noticed. All kinds of funkiness going here. Teal, orange, peach, purple. Charming. Alright, catch y'all later.